I just found out a new AI music generator that is 100% free and it is unlimited. It also gives you free commercial usage rights, which means that all the audios, music that you generate from this platform is 100% copyright free. You can make money from it without any issues at all. It also creates music with better audio quality than your famous AI music generators. And it also has so many cool features that I will be showing you in the course of this video. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Grab the link to this website in my Telegram channel, link in the description. This is the home page. You get to see so many amazing music and instrumental that a lot of people have created. You can listen to them for inspiration. Once that is done, let me show you how you can create yours. Click on the logo to go back to the home page, and we're going to test out the simple mode first. The simple modes allow this platform generate auto lyrics for you by you just giving it an idea of the song you want to create. So I type in an emotional song about courage in Celine Dion style. So you can write the artist you want, if it could generate it for you, or change it to something that's related. Turn on the fancy mode and hit the generate button and patiently wait for your song to be ready. I love the fact that it will always generate two versions of the song for you. All you have to do is play it and listen to it and download your favorite out of it. So now let's listen and see what we have. I feel the fear, but I won't run. Heart on the edge, but I face the sun. Every shadow longs to hide, but I find the strength inside. That's fantastic. Now let's listen to the second version of the song. Now the decision is yours to pick your favorite out of these two songs and download it. Now let's go back to the homepage and test out the advanced feature with our own personalized lyrics. Click on advanced and it will give you more detailed settings that you can work with. You can click on the upload option if you have a ready-made music that you'd like to change some things about, and then you upload the sound. But we're not going to do that right now. So we're just going to click on custom lyrics, and I'm going to be pasting my lyrics right here. So this lyrics was generated for me by ChatGPT, and it's actually a very nice one. I love it. I love it. I love it. The very next thing is for you to pick the style of music you want. How do you want your music to sound? Do you want a female voice? Do you want pop, rap, guitar, whatever instrumentals you want? You just have to add it into the song. If you want it energetic and the like. So these are the ones I selected. Then I'm just going to turn on the fancy mode, because the fancy mode gives you a better audio quality, and there's also more advanced settings that you can work with. If you turn it on, you see you can balance it, you can disable some features and auto and the likes. So feel free to test it out. Once you're done, hit the generate button. It generated two songs as usual. Now let's listen. This is the second song. Let's play it. I think I prefer the very first one, so I'm going to be downloading that. Click on the share button and hit the download button. If you don't like this, you can scroll down and hit the regenerate button, and it will automatically regenerate another version of the same song for you. The major downside to this platform is the fact that it can only generate 1 minute 35 seconds long video for you per time, which is quite little and might not completely contain all your lyrics. So you can click on the edit and extend button. This will enable you add more lyrics to the already generated song in the same style that it generated those ones for you. So you can click on the edit and extend, and then it brings you right here. The next thing is for you to choose how you want to extend the song. Is it from the beginning, which is the start, or at the end of the music, or after? So it all depends on you. So all you have to do is pick the exact place where you want to extend and then add in your lyrics. Don't forget to click on the advanced settings option if you have your own ready-made lyrics that you want to use. Once that is done, paste your lyrics, select the exact points where you want these lyrics to be added. So I'm clicking on the start, which is at the beginning, and I click on the fancy mode, right? Don't forget to click on advanced if you're using your own lyrics, and click on generate. Then once the sound is ready, you play it and listen to it. If you love it, download it. If you don't, click on the retry button, and this would regenerate another version for you, and you can download that onto your device. Channels like this are already making a lot of dollars using this kind of platforms to generate their audios and then using an image to animate it to lip sync. I already have a video that explains that. I'll leave the link to the video in the description box so you can check it out. I also tested this platform with A to Z Kiddie Song in case you want to start up a YouTube channel focusing on kids. This is what it sounds like.
A's for apple, shiny and sweet. B is for ball that bounces to your feet. C is for cat, burn on the chair.
As at the time of making this video, this platform is 100% free. They don't even have a pricing page yet. So enjoy it while it lasts. To access all your creations, all you have to do is click on this button right here and scroll down to where you can see all your projects, and you can, edit, re-edit, regenerate, and re-download whatever creations you have made. If you got value from this video, give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome and amazing content like this. Let me know your thoughts about this platform in the comment section. What are you going to be creating with this platform? What kind of music, instrumental, background sound you're going to be creating? Let me know in the comment section. Before you go, do well to check out some of my previous videos and you will not be disappointed. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay connected.